Choose your flooring. Spacious floor plan for the price. Seller to give credit for new carpet/flooring. Open living area with kitchen, dining and living area all within a great room concept. Half bath off the entry and laundry room on main with access to the finished garage. Upstairs features a vaulted master west/walk-in closet and bath, and 2 guest bedrooms and main bath. Could be a great full-time residence or second home west/little lawn maintenance, just a short distance to the outlet mall, library, grocery, restaurants and the beach. Won't last long.